Hello everyone, Piotr speaking. This is weekly forex analysis. We start with Euro USD monthly candle. We've got a red candle at the moment. Okay, and last week I told you should we have a green doji and red, so this will be a strong reversal signal. Okay, but this needs time, and so we cannot judge it at the moment. Yeah. It looks like the market reacted quite strongly last week to the downside, yeah. So that's why this candle is currently a red one. So there's not much to say about it at the moment. Yeah, I mean there is, of course. Yeah, this candle may react to the midway of this green candle. Yeah. So this is why it's reacting, because this candle is quite strong at that moment. Yes, it's still strong. This is the strong one. There's a corrective candle, and there's the third one, or a second one, or depending on the situation how I would like to describe it. But it looks like we may have a reaction here somewhere. It's typical for a market to react on such candles in that way. Okay, so let's move to the weekly. On the weekly, we've got a second red candle. This is quite strong. So this is a red candle which was stopped actually by the Bollinger Middle Band and by those support lines. A while ago I told you, when we are moving up this way, I told you that there was no retesting of those lines. Yeah? This can be called now a retesting. This can be a retesting. If it's successful, this can be retesting. So you can prepare yourself. Okay, the market may react in this area, may reverse and may make another move to the upside. Yeah, so this is what sometimes happens, and yeah, there is the Bollinger Middle Band as well here. Okay, so this is red, and actually, and I told you also last week. So this was already a sell signal based on the RSI, and okay, the market moved slightly to the upside and made 170. Okay, so there are 340 and 50 pips. So it may go down to that to make 350, 380 pips. So it's even 131 possible. And this will be again a retesting of this blue one, of this blue support line. So the resistance line now it will be kind of support area. This line would work like a support line. Good. On a daily chart, we've got this break on the RSI, so this is negative. But I would like to talk a little bit more about the 4-hour chart, and you can see 1, 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, the strongest 3, 4. That was a 4 in ABC. For 4, not always easy to get every single move here. So this is this 4, and this was the last fifth wave. Now is the question whether this fifth is already ended or not. Okay, and actually we should have a count of 5 waves to the downside, and it looks like we've got on the 1 hour 1, 2, strong 3, A, B, C for 4, and then there can be another leg to the downside as a fifth. Okay, and this will be the 5th wave to the downside, being those fifth wave. Okay, and this whole can be a first impulse to the downside, and then a correction, a bigger ABC correction. Okay, but considering this MACD indicator, this is higher low, this is a new low. So the market, there's the convergence with a MACD indicator, and this may mean, okay, the market did already this fifth wave, and this is already the first move to the upside. And this kind of correction could be a correction, should be a correction. It's difficult to say, because there's the question whether we've started a new impulse to the downside, and this is A, B, C that was ended, and this was this situation here. And now you can see in one of my analyses I was talking about those levels. So the market moved very strongly to the downside from that position here, from here. Okay, sometimes I'm being asked by people, okay, shall we enter or not, or we're looking for the perfect entry, and actually discussing about 5 or 6 pips or 3 pips, but there's 450 pips, yeah, so it's not why to talk about it. Okay, so yeah, sometimes you have to take the position and keep that position. That's it. Sometimes it's not that easy. Okay, good. So this is the Euro USD, and most probably because of this red candle, there will be more forces to the downside. Okay, good. So let's leave it like that. And now Euro Japanese yen monthly at the moment looks like a red candle. RSI, which is already in the overbought area, so the bulls are the strongest, but they are getting weaker and weaker. Most probably on the weekly we've got break of this support line, and yeah, this is the break of the support line. There's on the daily chart, there is on the daily yeah, we had a stop loss this week, quite a strong one with 160 pips stop loss, because of this position here, around here. We were in a long, I mean I was in the long position, most probably some of you were as well in this long position. So this was based on this 1 hour chart and this break to the upside, but then the market suddenly goes strongly to the downside. Even though it looked the day after, because the position was taken on the 6th and on the 6th in the evening. So the daily candle was a green one, and it looked like this lower boundary of this upper line of this upper channel was has withdrawn. Yeah, so it was I mean has withstand the boundary, have withstand the downward forces here, but then it moved to the downside. Okay, so for the moment, I think, you know, there is still an open question whether the market may go to the upside, another leg to the upside. So this is the question, whether this was an ABC or this is already a new impulse to the downside, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to the downside. Yeah, this looks like a ABC. So this is a fourth correction. So most probably there was somewhere 1 and 2. Sometimes it's difficult to find this 1 and 2. Yeah, maybe this was 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, sometimes it's not that easy. One has to switch maybe to 3 hour chart or 90-minute chart, and this will be visible. Okay, so I cannot show it here because this platform, they do not offer 3 hour or 90 minutes charts. Okay, anyway, this looks like a 3, okay, like a strong third wave, and this could be an ABC, so still a fourth correction. Okay, this green Fibo shows that the market was stopped by this Fibo 50. Okay, and sometimes actually the fourth shouldn't go so deep to the fourth, to the 50 level. Yeah, it shouldn't go that deep. Yeah, more here 38.2 actually, so it's actually too deep. It's a deeper correction. It's a deeper correction. So yeah, this is quite strong. This is a strong move. So it's although it behaved like a C wave, but it's most probably not a C wave. Yeah, it's not. Maybe it's 1. This is a 2, and this will be a 3 ahead of us. Yeah. Or this was a 1 and 2, and this is a 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, this could be like that. Yeah, could be like that. With second wave being so high here, it looks like almost like a B, okay. Good. So I'll leave it like that. And I'll be flexible. Yeah, I put it that way. Yeah. So most probably the downward forces are a bit higher. Okay, we have touched the Bollinger Middle Band, but this break and these butterfly patterns, they actually yeah, it shows that the market is getting weaker and weaker. Okay, good. So this is the Euro USD, sorry, Euro Japanese yen. Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. This is a monthly. Okay, this is the strong candle. There are two. Those two are. We have to call them still corrective candles. Yeah. There are some forces. I mean, there are some counts. It looks like that we may have another. We may end the whole third wave. We may be still in the third wave, and the whole third wave may end up here, 161.50, or more typical 261.8. So this is 156, even more. Yeah, 60. 160, 65. Sorry. Good. Weekly, a green one. It's a green one. I was talking about this initial move to the upside and this MACD indicator not being able to make a new high. So this will be a very, very visible divergence. Sorry, a divergence which will mean, okay, the market wants to turn around and go, wants to change the trend. The trend will change, and so it will be the indication for the change in the trend. The RSI is not that strong anymore, so this is another sign of weakening. And yeah, and the counts, this is difficult to say, but yeah, that was like a 5, an A, and this was yeah, everyone was looking for a B leg here and a C to the downside, but I'm not so sure about it. So I can only show you those two lines. This one resistance line, and there's another support line, and the market is in between those two lines. So we may break to the upside finally. Okay, finally, which would mean that that we could get up a bit higher. This is still possible. In this case, we will have a new high, and the market will make, and the MACD indicator will make a lower high. Okay, so this line was already broken, so I can adjust it a little bit. Maybe I will do it that way, that I will show another one in a different color. Sometimes I do it that way, just in order to still have a look on the previous one, what the market is doing with the previous one. This looks like a sandwich. Okay, so this was the upward move was stopped here. Looks like a reversal pattern, and actually we are above the Bollinger Middle Band. Yeah, we moved again up through this Bollinger Middle Band. So this green weekly, yeah. So it looks like we may have still another move to the upside. Good. This is like that. USD Japanese yen. This is this big triangle here, and we've got this indecision. I mean, this dodges. Okay, so this could be the fourth wave and another wave to the upside. So this is possible, and then we will have a correction. Okay, so we may break to the upside very soon. We will break to the upside. Yeah, this was already adjusted because I have adjusted. It was previously like that. Okay, so the market reacted, wasn't able to break through it. It shouldn't break, as I told you once. It shouldn't break, and now I've adjusted it like that, and now we could move to the E leg, and then finally thrust out of a triangle to the upside, most probably. So this may happen. Okay, Great Britain pound USD monthly candle, and now the market reacted to the support line, to the resistance line here. Of course, I mean, this was a resistance line, and now this line works like a support line. It's not the same one like that one, because this is a typical support line. This is a line which was broken, and this is a kind of retesting of those lines. So that's why I call them in such situation as a support line, as the market is reacting to this. Anyway, this is a green candle with a longer upper shadow, but we weren't able to break above that top. So this still could be called as a second wave, second corrective wave, and a move to the downside ahead of us. Yeah, the market. This looks like a fourth wave. Yeah, this looks like a this is overlapping. Yeah, this is overlapping. Yeah. And this is typical for a fourth wave. Yeah. So the market may either make another move to this to reach that level, and this is around 163. I've already mentioned it, and there is another level when the market could have ended the whole move to the upside. And in the same situation, so we could have a new high, and the MACD indicator will make a lower high, and then we will have a nice divergence, so indication for a trend change. So this is what can happen. And on this 4-hour chart, yeah, this could be an A and B, a C, and this is the last upward movement. Yeah, so that's the question, because you can see the market is reacting to the 61.8. If you measure this movement, okay, so wait, this is it the second wave? This looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a 5, 3. Could be 5, 3 and 5. So should it be an impulse? Okay, so but considering this, yeah, the weekly is green. Okay, so you can see you can see that those equal forces. Yeah, on the one hand is the question whether we should make the last move to the downside based on this 1, 2, 3. This is a 4 and 5, or there will be something else, but I think the market should move to the downside. We'll see. It's not that strong anymore. Yeah, you can see it. This is an MACD one top, this is a lower top. The market was able to make a new high. And the MACD indicator did a lower high. So it's already. I mean, this is not a new high. It's almost on the same. It's almost the same level. Yeah, but the MACD indicator is not that strong anymore. Okay, good. So now the gold finally. Gold monthly. This is right now at the moment. Yeah, this is the bearishness, in my opinion. And now on the weekly we've got a red candle, sorry. And now there's the question, okay, there was an ABC, and this is the last fifth, so the whole movement will be ended somewhere here. This is this long trend following, so the market could reach this level as well. So this is possible, and because it's visible that the bulls they are not that strong, at least at the moment. Yeah, it's like everyone is asking, okay, where the market wants to go, what's going on with this gold. Okay, we broke through this resistance line, but it wasn't that strong. Yeah, so the market went to the downside again. And on the 4-hour chart, I've shown you last week those levels. Yeah, this 50 FIBO once, first time, second time, third time, and then move to the downside. Yeah. So this is most of the 1, 2, 3, 4. That was the fourth, and this is the fifth wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, most probably. So this will be a move to the downside. Actually, a move to the downside. First move, first impulse, then it's a correction. Another move to the downside. It's still possible because of this break on MACD indicator. Sorry. Yeah. It was a long time, and the market break through this zero line here. So I told you once, the market won't ignore it. Yeah, it's not that easy to ignore it. Okay, good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.